The government is developing a policy aimed at streamlining plastic management and recycling systems, which would be a new lease of life on top of other alternatives coming on the market to tame environmental waste.
The conventional plastic that we have currently, or which is in the market locally here, can take up to 1,000 years to degenerate if it's in the natural conditions. But with the addition of the D2W, the plastic material can be programmed to degenerate in a given period.
Businesses across the globe must now show green credentials in the wake of environmental concerns. And here in Uganda, plastic manufacturers, reputed for littering the environment, will not be an exception.
As we talk right now, there are ongoing consultations within the various stakeholders within the government sector.
Over 20 plastic manufacturers whose businesses were threatened by an initial ban by the government have now put in place in-house checks to avoid littering. But perhaps more work has to be done to save the environment.
So, like the plastic wrapping for the bread can be programmed within 60 days or 90 days. If it's thrown out there, if it's not collected, if it's not recycled, and it gets its way into the environment, it's not collected. And it has this additive, it will degenerate and become carbon dioxide, hydrogen molecules, and the rest, because there's microbials which consume it, will be humus.
The Uganda Investment Authority has recently audited plastic recycling companies as a baseline for considering their proposals on what should be entailed in this coming policy. Tom Magumba, NTV Business.